Morning light on quiet streets, coffee warmth and rolling wheels, bike lane shining in the
So breakfast, pero magdadala muna kami ng mga laundry. Para pagdating sa Maynila, wala na tayo mabigat na bitbit, tsaka malinis na. Tip from us. Yes.
Okay, let's go! Check out na kami. Kaayos yung mga gamit. Ayan. Mangga. Lang ganda ng iyong outfit. Hi, self.
Pero, kuha ng mga tissue.
Ayan, oo na. Siyempre, another tip, kunin nyo yung mga tissue, tas mga ganito pala. So, kunin natin siya. Let's go. Tapos yung toiletries na hindi nyo naman nagagamit. Pamigay nyo na lang. Bye-bye! Let's go, let's go!
sunlight on the river rail, wind moving soft and pale, yellow taxis passing by, silver clouds across the sky.
Nag-jeep kami from the hotel and then maglalakad kami papunta ng Agatona. So, ito, nadaanan namin yung library. Yung fit lang dito. Marami ding book variation. Okay talaga dito. For chill. Bye-bye! Bili kami ng sticker. Wala! Ay, lapit pala. Kasi si Agatona. So, museum siya and also cafe. We're gonna go there. And doon kami maglalakad. Let's go!
Moonlight falling on the road, morning in a quiet mode, pedal easy through the day, let the rhythm lead the way, sun above the skyline blue, everything feels fresh and new. What on the
Ayan, so meron na din dito costume rental, 500 pesos. May accessories na. Ganito ang setup nila.
Taxi lights like modern art, sun between the towers high, silver drifting through the sky, little groove in the morning light, everything is
Madam Agatona ay hindi mawawala ng plato. Kasi merong pangalan. Istitin. Teshima. Oh!
sunlight sliding on the glass, yellow taxis drifting past, someone laughing near the bar, day begins right where we are, shoes tapping on the lane, soft reflections after rain, nothing rushing, nothing loud, just a groove inside the crowd, little groove in the morning light, everything is moving right, city breathing soft and cool, following.
So, ito ang aming ulam. Tingnan natin kung ano ang pinagkaiba ng Iloilo na adobo. Tapos molo, pancit molo, inuguan. Pasta yung isang Italiano naming friend. Okay. Konting liko lang from the Biscocho House and at Gagatona. Tayo sa Casa Marikit. Sarado? Sa harap. Sige po.
Coffee warmth and skyline view, simple moments shining through. Take the rhythm down the street, every step a steady beat in the city, bright and wide. Morning moves with quiet pride. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba.
So, yung binili namin ng siniguelas, binigay namin sa mga kids. Just waiting na kami sa aming job. I'm going to
Iloilo. Contemporary music.
Kami ay magbabarek.
Emperador. Okay po?
Hindi pa nakabarek, tulala, no? Hindi pa kami tapos. Akala nyo tapos na kami, no? So, may energy pa kami. And dito kami pumunta sa Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Art. Let's go, let's go! Okay, so we're inside the Contemporary Museum. I don't know. Dapat sa Brandy kami pupunta, pero napasok kami dito. But still, ang gaganda ng mga artworks.
Let the city lead the way. Nothing rushed and nothing loud. Just a groove inside the crowd. Coffee, warmth, and skyline view. Morning painted fresh and new.
1, 2, 3, say Brandy!
Sunlight sliding down the glass. Yellow taxis rolling past. Someone humming by the door. Soft shoes on the cafe floor. Small talk drifting through the air. Simple moments everywhere. Day begins without a rush. Like a calm and steady hush. Bright and easy start a day. Let the city lead the way. Nothing rushed and nothing loud. Just a groove inside the crowd. Coffee, warmth, and skyline view. Morning painted.
Hello! So, nasa Match Cafe kami. Together with our sensitive sis because she has a dalaw today. Oh, wawa naman. And then, the other person in the house. The bully. Siya, wawa. Tapos siya ang bully. So, ako ang kanilang... Ako hindi ako bully. Yes. Ako ang kanilang mediator. Mediator. Kasi siya ang inapi at nang api. Yan. Diba?
Wala sa personality nila isa yung mga api.
Oo. Balik na rin tuloy natin. Siya yung inapi at siya ang nang api. Balik na rin natin ang sitwasyon. Dinner namin. Thank you, Lord. As always. Ito ang sarap ng karamak.
Ano na natin?
And then, ito, medyo cafe. Pero ang kunin nyo ay regular. So, thank you, Lord.
Coffee, warmth, and turn and change. Bike wheels gliding through the light. City opening up bright. Signals blinking down the road. Windows catching morning glow.
1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3, go!